Hi, my name is Deborah Watkins, aka Auntie Deb. I am the author of the book From Mediocre to Marvelous, Live a Fulfilled Life. I am also a certified Christian life coach. I help women to stop starting over again and to finally follow through. I assist women to rise after setbacks and to replace their story. As a life coach, we partner with you to propel you to your goal. We do this through exercises and homework assignments called action steps. This gives you a guideline and a blueprint to develop sustainable habits. As a coach, we are not therapists or psychiatrists, and I stay within my expertise. Now, I will refer clients to therapists if needed. I say this because my goal is for my clients to be successful. And if I cannot provide that for you, I'm not going to keep the session going. You may already be motivated, but perhaps need a mentor. Now, I will coach you to get a mentor because I may not have knowledge in your field. I am what is referred to as an execution coach. I get you to an expected outcome. I have one client who was a certified electrical engineer who was working for a company and felt she wasn't getting paid her worth. Now, through a series of sessions, we did discover that there was some time management issues and she needed time to work on proposal. She knew what she wanted to do. She knew what she could offer. She just needed to put a proposal together and to get clarity. She wanted to become an independent consultant. She informed me the other day she has 3 potential clients now that she has sent proposals to. And these are not low-level contracts. These are million-dollar contracts she is securing. Another client I had was consistently changing her jobs and her majors in school, not really completing anything. She was feeling very defeated. She was just going around in circles. We worked together until she received clarity and direction. She called me the other day with an update, and she said she finally found a job that aligns with her purpose. She said to me, "I love this job. I really love what I am doing now. It doesn't even feel like work." And this is what coaches live for. I was so elated by that call because I could hear the joy in her voice. And we love when clients have success. Another one of my clients was dealing with confidence and identity issues. And this is what she said in a testimonial that she gave me. I would like to read it. She said, "I see in myself that I had fears that were getting in the way of my growth. And now that we acknowledged them and created a solution, I now have a roadmap to guide me." Again, this is what we live for, coaches. So this is my introduction. As I stated earlier, I am the author of the book titled From Mediocre to Marvelous, Live a Fulfilled Life, and I'll put it in my bio and information. And I'm going to give a series of talks from my book, and the first topic I'm going to talk about is power. We're going to explore how it's perceived and how to obtain personal power. So in the meantime, stay positive and look out for my other talks. Ciao.